with its origins tracing back to the 1980s. The fifth-generation Sukhoi Su-57 is Russia's answer to America's SF-35 Joint Strike Fighter and Lockheed Martin SF-22 Raptor. The twin-engine supersonic multirole stealth fighter jet was first unveiled in 2010 and has been in production since 2011. However, only a handful of these multi-million-dollar aircraft have actually been delivered to the Russian Air Force so far. What makes this advanced war machine tick, and why should you care? Let's take a closer look at this formidable Russian warplane. Before we get started with this episode, be sure to check out our other videos, especially our previous episodes on modern military technology and weapons. We've got lots of great content airing regularly, so please consider subscribing and hitting that bell icon to stay up to date with all of our latest news. And one more thing, use the chapter markers below to navigate to sections that interest you most. Let's get into it. The United States has long dominated world aviation and aeronautics. Many would argue that this is due to a combination of superior technology, extensive research and development, funding, and an overall robust and mature industrial base. That being said, China and Russia have made some significant strides in closing the technological gap in recent years, and now both present serious competition to American manufacturers. Both countries have developed stealth fighters with cutting-edge capabilities that threaten to disrupt America's decades-long monopoly on advanced combat aircraft. When it comes to stealth fighters, there are two names that immediately spring to mind: the Lockheed Martin F-35 Joint Strike Fighter and the American F-22 Raptor. However, these aren't the only two stealth fighters in the world. In fact, Russia has recently unveiled its very own stealth fighter known as the Su-57 Felon. Let's dive into the history, capabilities and specifications of the Su-57 Felon. Development of the Su-57 traces its roots back to the late 1980s. When the Soviet Union began to explore the concept of a new generation fighter with advanced stealth capabilities. Known as the Perspective Multirole Aviation Complex for Frontline Aviation, or MKD. This program aimed to develop a fighter that could perform a variety of missions, including air superiority, reconnaissance, and ground support. After the dissolution of the Soviet Union in 1991, the program was significantly underfunded, and progress was slow. However, in 2002, the Russian government allocated additional funding and the project began to move forward more quickly. Several prototypes were built and tested, and the aircraft made its first public appearance in 2010. The Su-57 has been in serial production since 2011, but only a small number of aircraft have been delivered to the Russian Air Force so far. The Su-57 is designed to be a highly capable multi-role fighter. It can carry a variety of air-to-air and air-to-surface missiles, as well as bombs and other munitions. It also has advanced electronic warfare capabilities, which allow it to disrupt enemy radar and communications. One of the most important features of the Su-57 is its stealth technology. Stealth fighters are designed to be difficult or impossible to detect on radar, making them ideal for a variety of missions, including air superiority and strike missions. The Su-57's stealth capabilities are comparable to those of the F-35 and F-22, making it one of the most stealthy fighters in the world. Another important feature of the Su-57 is its ability to supercruise, meaning it can fly at supersonic speeds without afterburners. This allows the aircraft to conserve fuel and extend its range. The Sukhoi-57 has a range of approximately 2,300 miles, which is comparable to the F-35 and F-22. It also has a service ceiling of approximately 60,000 feet, which is the highest of any operational fighter jet. The Su-57 is equipped with a variety of sensors and data link systems that allow it to collect intelligence and share it with other aircraft and ground forces. This makes it an effective platform for surveillance and reconnaissance missions, as well as air superiority and strike missions. Let's delve deeper into the technical specifications of this aircraft. The Su-57 is a highly advanced fighter jet with impressive technical specifications. Let's take a closer look at some of the key aspects of this aircraft. Make sure to watch our video on the Chinese J-20 Mighty Dragon stealth fighter jet. First, let's discuss the dimensions of the Su-57. It has a wingspan of 37 feet, a length of 62 feet, and a height of 18 feet. The wing area is approximately 420 square feet, and the empty weight of the aircraft is approximately 35,500,000 pounds. The gross weight of the aircraft is approximately 64,500,000 pounds. The engines used in the Su-57 are a crucial aspect of its design. The aircraft is powered by two Saturn AL-41 FN1 turbofan engines, each producing 14,000 pounds of thrust. These engines are some of the most powerful in the world, and they allow the Su-57 to achieve supersonic speeds with ease. Additionally, the aircraft has two auxiliary engines, one on each side of the cockpit, which produce 2,750 pounds of thrust each. These engines are used for vector thrust control, which allows the pilot to maneuver the aircraft with greater precision. The maximum speed of the Su-57 is approximately Mach 1.6, which is equivalent to over 1,200 miles per hour. Its cruising speed is approximately Mach 0.9, which is around 660 miles per hour. The aircraft has a range of approximately 2,300 miles, which is suitable for long-range missions. The service ceiling of the Su-57 is 60,000 feet, which is the highest of any operational fighter jet. This allows the aircraft to operate at very high altitudes, where it can achieve greater speeds and maneuverability. The weapons used in the Su-57 are another key aspect of its capabilities. The aircraft can carry a variety of air-to-air and air-to-surface missiles, as well as bombs and other munitions. It has 12 hardpoints for weapons, 6 under wing and 6 under body, giving it great flexibility in terms of payload. The aircraft can carry up to 8,800 pounds of weapons, including air-to-air missiles such as the RVSB-9M and R-77, as well as air-to-surface missiles like the KH-59 air missile. In addition to its impressive technical specifications, the Su-57 is also notable for its advanced technology. The aircraft uses a composite airframe which reduces its weight and improves its maneuverability. It also has advanced avionics and electronic warfare capabilities, which allow it to operate in contested airspace and engage multiple opponents simultaneously. Overall, the Su-57 is a highly capable and advanced fighter jet that represents the best of Russian aviation engineering. While it has yet to see widespread use, it has the potential to be a game-changing platform for the Russian Air Force. Despite its impressive capabilities, the Su-57 has faced some challenges. One of the main issues with the aircraft has been its cost. The development and production of the Su-57 have been plagued by cost overruns and delays. Additionally, the aircraft has had some high-profile accidents during testing, which have raised concerns about its safety. Nevertheless, the Russian government remains committed to the Su-57 program and plans to purchase up to 76 of the aircraft. The Su-57 is a testament to the engineering prowess of Russia and a reminder of the country's status as a major player in the global arms race. As the aircraft continues to undergo testing and refinement, it will be interesting to see how it performs in actual combat situations and whether it can live up to its advanced reputation. That concludes our episode on the Sukhoi Su-57 Felon. We hope you enjoyed learning about this advanced fighter jet and its capabilities. If you have any thoughts or opinions on the Su-57, please leave a comment below. We'd love to hear from you. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe and hit that bell icon to stay up to date on all of our latest news.